First, take your vase and give it a nice coat of white chalk paint as the base. This helps the colors pop later on. Let it dry completely. Now, go ahead and paint your desired color over the base. Choose any shade that matches your vibe. Next, take your beautiful rice paper and carefully paste it on the base using decoupage glue. Press it down gently so there are no bubbles. Once it's dry, pick another color to blend around the rice paper. This helps everything look smooth and gives it a nice artistic touch. Now for the fun part, bold edges. You can use a brush, but I personally prefer using my finger. It gives a more natural, handmade look. Finally, seal everything with a protective shield coat. And ta-da! Your vase is ready. If you like this makeover, let me know in the comments and I'll make more videos like this.